Yoga, an art of living, a way to attain peace of mind. A stressful life, depression and anxiety have become common in the modern world. People are overburdened with work and have no time to relax. Yoga offers the best solution to this problem. Yoga. The word yoga essentially means which brings you to the reality. Literally, it means union. Union means it brings you to the ultimate reality where individual manifestations of life are surface bubbles in the process of creation. Some yogic exercises. Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar is a practice in yoga as exercise incorporating a sequence of some 12 gracefully linked asanas. Benefits of Surya Namaskar. It strengthens the body, helps relax mind, improves flexibility, improves posture, helps burn excess fat, helps build mental focus, etc. Vrikshasana. Let's see how to perform Vrikshasana, which relieves stress and helps gain focus. Stand tall and erect in Tadasana, mountain pose with your arms by your side and shoulders relaxed. Bend your right leg, place your right foot high up on your left thigh. Once you have found your balance, take a deep breath and gracefully raise your arms over your head. Bring your palms together in Namaste Mudra, that is, hand folded. Then slowly exhale. Bring down your hand from the side of your body and gently release the right leg. Repeat the above steps using the left leg. Pranayam, a savior in stress. What is pranayam? Pranayam is the practice of breath control in yoga. In modern yoga as exercise, it consists of synchronizing the breath with movements between asanas. But it is also a distinct breathing exercise on its own, usually practiced after asanas. Benefits of pranayam. Helps sleep. The stress relieving effect of pranayam may also help you to sleep. Increases mindfulness. During pranayam, you need to be aware of your breathing and how it feels. You also practice focusing on the present moment instead of the past or future. This is known as mindfulness. Reduces high blood pressure. Stress is a major risk factor for high blood pressure. Pranayam can help minimize this risk by promoting relaxation. Improves lung function. As a type of breathing exercise, the slow, forceful breathing of pranayam may strengthen your lungs. Yog Nidra. Yog Nidra, a Sanskrit term meaning yogic sleep, is a deep relaxation technique and a form of meditation. Also called as psychic sleep, Yog Nidra is a state between sleeping and waking. The body is completely relaxed and the practitioner turns the awareness inwards by listening to a set of instructions much like a guided meditation. Yog Nidra practice results in deep relaxation and expands the individual's self-awareness. Thank you. A presentation by Suryansh Goyal.